And our next founder that you will hear from is Tamiqua Whittaker with Queen Kisses All Natural Luxury Lip Care. So let's give it up for Tamiqua, you guys. All right.
When networking or meeting up with friends, we always want our mouth and our lips to be ready for anything. How often are we out at the event, we're conversating and engagement, at some point our eyes go right to their mouth or lips, and we might even make a judgment if it looks kind of off. Well, I'm on stage being judged tonight, so you don't have to be judged, okay? Queen Kisses is here to get your confidence back up. The problem we address is dry, often discolored lips in need of restoration. Some contributing factors to dry lips are going to be the medications you may be taking, the weather and the region that you live in. If you're dehydrated, also if you're a smoker, that's a huge contribution. Sun damage, also things you may be allergic to or deficient in vitamin B. But the solution to that is going to be our all-natural lip restoration system, created in small batches to ensure consistency in the blends as well as the efficacy of the products. It's a three-part system. All of our products are coconut oil based. The exfoliator is a sugar scrub that you're going to use 2 to 3 times a week. The lip balm you're going to use daily to replenish your moisture, and the nighttime aloe lip mask you're going to use as needed for more complicated lip issues like cold sores. How we make money, B2B, direct to consumer, through our website and pop-ups. We also offer white labeling services to enhance your customer experience. Since 2019, over 3,000 customers have been served with numerous 5-star reviews from our delighted customers. Also, we've generated over $15,000 in revenue to date. These are some of the publications that have featured our brand and some of the partnerships that have helped us excel. LaRue's Kitchen has given us a presence inside the Mother Road Market. Also, the Art Museum on the OU campus. The global lip care market in 2023 was valued at $2.4 billion and projected to reach $3.34 billion by the year 2028. The North American portion of that was valued last year at about $460 million and projected to reach over $520 million by 2023. And if we could just obtain 0.1% of that valuation over the next 5 years, that would put Queen Kisses at about $100,000 a year. Our go-to-market strategy to obtain that, we're going to run organic ads on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We're also going to hire a sales team to increase our B2B presence, as well as affiliate marketing partnerships with micro-influencers. And we also want to explore more medical partnerships with those doing lip fillers, cosmetic surgeons, and dermatologists. So why would you choose Queen Kisses over these top competitors listed? Our products are truly all natural with less than 4 ingredients per product. It's part of an actual lip care system, and you receive immediate results when using our products from the very first use. The team is myself, Tamiqua. I'm a licensed dental professional for more than 15 years. Also, Leandre Whittaker, he's a certified lean implementer with more than 20 years managerial experience. He's also my husband, and I pay him in hugs. The way we're going to use the money as follows. We're going to allot $10,000 to our marketing and branding, $5,000 to our business operations, admin, back-end stuff, hiring people, and $5,000 to handle our inventory and holiday management. So do you want to work with Queen Kisses or get my products in your store and get my fan base come looking for our products? Of course you do. Go ahead and scan that barcode, and it'll give you all the information to contact us. And if you're in the crowd tonight and you want to try Queen Kisses, you can do so with code BIT at checkout for free shipping tonight only. Thank you so much.
Great job.
Thank you, Kim.
So happy to see you on stage tonight. Loving the packaging. It looks really good, very, very upscale. Now, my question is, you mentioned that you will use some of the prize to hire. What are the areas that you see or the gaps that you see that you need to accomplish your goals?
Well, I do all my own marketing. When I get into these partnerships, Tamiqua's feet is in the street. I'm going talking to these business owners myself. So anything to help alleviate that. If I could clone myself and pay her, I would. But anything to help me build the team and help me get further faster,
And what are those team members? So what do you see? Who do you see you'll be hiring first if you win the prize?
Marketing, first of all. I do good at marketing, but girl, I'm tired of doing it myself. Okay? So marketing would be my first order of business.
And what type of marketing would you want them to do? Is it more digital? Is it more collateral, at events? Like, what are you thinking about? How you gonna market?
Mostly with social media and TikToks and the crazy algorithms and how to do that. I need professionals that know how to do that, so I'm not wasting time and money. So that would be my first order of business, and that's why my platforms I'm on already: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Run it up.
Love it. I think honestly, with one more product iteration, you may really give Aquaphor a run for their money.
Can you repeat? I'm sorry, I can't.
Yeah, I said with one more product iteration, you really may give Aquaphor a run for their money. So a couple of questions for you here. Kind of year to date, what is the traction or revenue that you guys have in selling the product?
We've generated over $15,000 so far in revenue to date. Thank you. For my lip scrubs only cost me $2.59 to make that I sell for $15.
Sweet.
My lip balms only cost me 41 cents to make that I sell for $4.
Sweet.
And my lip max that I have, it cost me $1.19 that I sell for $10.
Love it.
But after tomorrow's price ain't today's price. Right.
Run it up.
Thank you so much. It was a great presentation.
Thank you.
I love looking at seeing the really simple ingredients and that you do keep it really limited. On the essential oils, do you list what essential oils you use and sort of what's the selection process for different oils?
It kind of depends on where I'm going with the flavors. Like for the season, I have lots of flavors, but they're only certain available during certain times of year, right? So I only go for plant-based, 100% premium essential oils. And I try to, keep so much verbiage off of the packaging there, so I just put, premium essential oils for scent. It just depends what season it is that I'm using, but they're all plant-based 100%.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we got time for one more. Kind of talk to me about like your product vision. Like, where do you want this to be? Where do you want this to go? Like, what are you looking to ultimately achieve with this? What is your North Star?
With Queen Kisses, with the brand, ultimately I do see it being a global brand. Something that you can get at medical offices, that you can get at Ulta, Sephora, and big places, spas, boutiques, anywhere people are with lips.
Yeah.
Okay? So, all those places.
Love it. Love it.
More questions from our judges? All right. Well, let's give it up for Tamiqua, you guys.